Hi there, baby. This is Raven. She has asthma. Well, the Lord's blessed us with another beautiful day, and by the way, no advertisements here. I just wanted to update you on our progress. My son-in-law came out, helped me again yesterday, and we completed the trusses, so we got all those built, and we got laid off where all of the nailers go in between the spacers. You can see the lines here. There'll be one here and for a ridge goes in between, so those will have to be made. Hopefully I can fight off this headache today and get those made. I got all the T111 stained yesterday evening late. It was dark 30 when I got done. So I've got all that completed here, and so we'll walk out here and I'll show you what I've got accomplished out here. Oh man, it's a beautiful day. You know, I've asked this question on Facebook and in discussions. I've asked people, give me one aspect of death, physical death, for the Christian that's bad. Just one. So far, I've not had one person even touch the question. Because, see, the thing is, when the Christian dies, he goes to be in the presence of God. And that's what all our songs we sing, that's what they're about. So if when the Christian dies, he goes to be in the presence of God, then why would God need to send him back to earth to come out of a grave to be resurrected in some kind of a new physical body, and hopefully not be scorched because the earth's on fire, remember, according to the futurist doctrine? Why would he have to do that? And it's the more I've studied, the more I think about what we've been taught in the past about this futurism and a future resurrection and all this stuff. It just becomes so much more stupid when I look at what the scriptures actually teach in context. It's just so stupid what we were taught. And I spell that with a double O. S-T-O-O-P-I-D. Stupid. Anyway, just think about that. Well, here's what we've got accomplished. And I see my pond is drying up. We got a lot of rain a couple, 3 nights ago, and the water was standing out to about right here. So that shows you how level this is. It's only out of level about a ½ inch or so. Got a little bit of water standing back here. So hopefully that'll dry up today. But anyway, you can see that I've got all my nailers installed around the perimeter. And as I said, these are for a nailing surface. Oh, hi! This is Felina again. Hi, honey. Yeah. She's upset because she don't get near enough loving and near enough food. So anyway, as I said, the T111 will come up and attach out here on the outside of this. And so that's what I want to try to accomplish today, is to get all of my T111 installed and get all those, which is more of these, is what I'm making, that will go in between the trusses. So they fit in between trusses just like these fit in between the studs here. So, I attached these. I just nailed these all except for where intersected a place like this where I couldn't really get in there to nail. And let's see if you can see that there. I use the pocket screw system. Oh, hi, here's another friend. Here's Jack. But anyway, that's where we're at, and as I said, we want to get accomplished today, try to get our T111 installed. Due to the tight space right in here, I'll have to put all the back wall on by hand drives, and I can use a nail gun around the rest of the perimeter. This product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer. Brent Bishel, is there anything in this world that doesn't cause cancer in California? I have to get this big hammer here. Those are a little longer than what I needed, but I couldn't find any sixes. These are eights. 8-penny, which is 2.5. Couldn't find any 6-penny nails at Lowe's. It was galvanized. Okay, just in case you didn't know, this T111 is designed with a lip. It laps over the piece behind it. So when you nail it down, nail this one down, pins that one down. I think probably about everybody knows that, but just in case. Well, when I got to checking my stock for nails, I found out that I didn't have any galvanized number 8s for my nail gun. So I'm going to have to put all this on the old-fashioned way, which is really not that big a deal when you got room to swing a real hammer. This piece is warped really bad. Now if you'll notice along this edge here and along this edge right here, you'll see a fresh cut. And that's because when you start to sheet off, I have to back up. To make a break on the stud centers, I have to cut off a little bit because these sheets are about 3/8 of an inch wider, however wide the lip is. So when I get to the corners, I have to cut just a little bit off to make them fit. And then I'll wrap the corner from here down. I'll make me an outside corner molding out of Brent Bishop's California redwood material. And Lord willing, we'll see that as we go along. I'll show you how to make those.